Greedy students. In this lecture, we'll talk about the exponential function and the logarithmic function. First off, we have the exponential function. A function of the form f of x is equal to a raised to power x defines an exponential function. The domain of the function is a set of real numbers, while the range is from 0 to infinity without including the end points. The graph of the exponential function is displayed on your screen. Now moving on, we have the logarithmic function. If x is equal to a raised to power y, then of course we know by the property of log, we have y is equal to log base a x, where a must be greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1 is called a logarithmic function of x. Domain and ranges of the logarithmic functions would be opposite of those of the exponential function. The domain of the logarithmic function would be 0 to infinity, excluding the endpoints, while the range would be set of real numbers. The graph of the logarithmic function is displayed on your screen. And that's all from us in today's lecture.